ठीक है, ये कैंपेन है आपका, कैंपेन जो आपने बनाया हुआ है उसके अंदर ये आपके एड, ठीक है। अब कैंपेन के साइड में यू विल सी दैट in the bar, in the top left hand side bar, there is an option called setting. So this is campaign setting. Okay, what is campaign setting? Campaign setting is primarily the different settings you can do for this campaign so that this campaigns work according to your wish. Okay, first thing is campaign name. Campaign name primarily defines which what this campaign is all about. Like I'm running for a course, so it defines the course. Where I'm running, I have defined the cities as well in the campaign name. This is how we define for this account structure. For other account structure, it may vary. It may vary if we are putting a product name, then any specific thing we are doing, or any specific sale we are running. So that depends on the objective of the campaign. We decide the name of the campaign. Okay, and it can be edited any point of time. Next is campaign status. Campaign status is primarily you want to enable, disable, or remove the campaign. Remember one thing, once the campaign is removed, it can't be retrieved. That means you can't turn it on again ever. Okay, whenever you don't want to run a campaign, pause it so that you can use it, use that particular campaign in the future. But if you remove it, then you can't use it. Guys, everyone, please make a note of it. Everyone make a note of it and send it to me on the group. Every one of you, jitne bhi, every single point which I'm discussing with you, so that I want to understand how much you grasp, how much you keep with you. Okay, because I will be speaking a lot of things about different things, and I will be pointing out different things. So you have to do me a favor. You have to everyone has to take notes and send it on the group. I will combine all the notes and send it back to you. Okay, because in every class I give different tips according to the different cases we are taking, and based on that, it varies a lot. Okay, after that, you can save it. So it's already paused. So pause. After that, when you're setting up a campaign, there are three options, primarily three agenda for objective of this campaign. Primarily four is you want sales from this campaign, you want leads from this campaign, or you want a traffic. Okay, these are the general objectives of any campaign. So when you are setting up a campaign, you have to select either of them. In your case, like Aditya's case, it's not sales because he can't do sales on his portal. He can generate leads only, or he wants just to build the awareness about his product, then he will do a website traffic campaign. So he will not do a sales campaign because he's not an e-commerce. Okay, so he selects sales and saves it. And why it is important to set it up, a reason that Google will optimize your campaign accordingly. The wrong objective, if you set up, the wrong optimization is happening on your account. If you want that your campaign should perform, select the correct objective of it.